Hey there, it's Robyn with Robyn Scherer Photography. I'm going to talk about the Spider X Pro. So I already had downloaded the software and it's pretty self-explanatory to download. And now there's an icon on my upper right bar of my Mac. So I'm going to open that and launch it. And I will walk you through calibrating my monitor. I was pretty intimidated by it at first, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to say next. My display's been on, checked my lighting conditions, checked my display. So you're going to plug your Spider into the computer USB port. And so that's pretty self-explanatory. So I will go ahead and do that now. And so that is installed, and I'll hit next. My desktop, because that's what I work on. Next, and yep, it's my LG, ultra fine. Next, brightness. I've already put up my brightness as far as it goes. I've checked that a couple times, so it's at its max. So next, and please select your backlight. So I do the wide LED. It falls under the category of Apple III displays. Standard LED, you can see it. Select this monitor if you have a standard gamut. This is the most common modern backlight technology. And then general, GB LEDs. So you can read all those and see what fits your monitor or desktop best. I'm going to do the wide LED, and I'm going to do the full calibration. And so you can see here it tells you exactly where to place the Spider. So you literally just hold it up. So it comes apart. You can't see it, but it comes apart. You open it up and you put the eye, it's very obvious, you put the eye in here and hold it to the computer. And then you'll click next. And you can see that it is working. And it's a little bit time consuming, not a super quick process, but it works nonetheless. And that is the end of the calibration. So I hope that helps somebody. Hey there, I am adding on to the Spider X Pro data color. Here is the actual Spider. You open it up, and this part is what you place on your computer screen when it asks you to put it in the spot. So it's very self-explanatory, but I thought I'd pop this into the video so you could see it. Okay, hope that helps.